Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Hi, Tita Sally. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hello! Happy birthday po, Tita Sally. Enjoy your birthday. Ingat po. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally. May you have a wonderful celebration with your family and friends. And I wish you very good health and a lovely and fun retirement life. Happy birthday!
Hi, Tita Sally. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally. More blessings to come po.
Hi, friend! Happy birthday! Sana sa araw na iyong karawan ay maging napakasaya mo, malusog at nag-enjoy. Sana sa ganyang mga okasyon ay magkakasama tayong magkakaibigan. Ang tagal na natin hindi nagkita-kita simula nung graduation natin ng 1977. Miss ko na kayong lahat. Pero anyway, darating din siguro ang araw na magkikita-kita tayong magkakaibigan. Miss you. Love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday ulit. Love you.
Hello, Sally. Ang hiling ko para sa iyong kaarawan. Sana ilagi kang masaya, lalo kang maging matagumpay sa landas mong napili at naway patuloy kang pagpalain ng ating Panginoon. Maligayang kaarawan.
Hi, Sally. Good morning. Greetings from California. Happy birthday. And may God bless you with more. Also, I'd like to congratulate you for raising a daughter in Laris. She's very responsible and went this far to celebrate your birthday. Again, happy birthday, and may you have many more. Have a safe and happy celebration. Bye!
Hi, Sally. The Lord has been so gracious to you because you have reached this milestone. Happy 70th birthday. May the Lord grant the desires of your heart and continue to provide you good health, strength, peace, joy, and abundant blessings. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Love you.
Hi, Tita Sally! Happy 70th birthday po. I hope you're having a great birthday so far po. And I would like to take this opportunity po to thank you for being a gracious host lagi po sa pagkapatuloy po sa bahay nyo para tumambay po kasama po si Ate Laris. And also, thank you for being a great friend to my mom and also a great tita to us po sa mga friends po ni Ate Laris. Ayun po, I'm wishing you a very happy birthday, more wealth, and the best health for you po, and more birthdays to come po. Ayun po, ingat po kayo lagi.
Happy birthday, my dear! Happy! Enjoy! Happy birthday, ma'am! God bless! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh, ito! Happy birthday. Happy birthday! Okay! Happy birthday! Bye-bye! Happy birthday! Bye-bye!
Hi, good day everyone. I'm very thankful of my dear Laris for giving me a chance to be with you this 70th birthday of my friend Sally. I've just described Sally through the letters in her name. I'll begin with R. She is reliable. If we ask help from her, she is always ready. Then I, inspiration. She is an inspiration to us because of her, to the kids and toddlers because of her school, Green Grove Learning Center. And next is Zay. Hirap ata ang Zay. Zay, Zeal, that is, she has initiative to act or lead in a group. Then, A, admirable. Yes, she is admirable of her blended beauty that looks like 50 or less but not 70. Then, we have L, loving. She's always loving to the children, both in Siena College and Green Grove and everywhere to the children because of her devoted heart for them with love and care. Then, next is L, I, interest. I know it's interesting to note that she has a keen knowledge for recognizing the hidden talent of a child that makes the child very fruitful upon when they will grow up to be respectful, obedient, and more. Then I, L-I-N, and she is nice because she is approachable, generous, and can be wherever we are in the group. She is always ready to hand in all what we want. And lastly, it's letter A. It's admirable. We admire her of her generosity, of her love and care for everybody. Okay. Lastly, my dear Sally, happy birthday from all of us here in Canada, with my husband Boy, with the family of Jai and Risa, and the 2 grandchildren, Han and Abby. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday, Miss Ignacio. Thank you for becoming such a big part of me and my ate's childhood, and for becoming such a great role model that we get to look up to. Thank you for your dedication, energy, and patience you've put into teaching us great valuable lessons.
Without you, we probably wouldn't be half the person that we are today. We hope that you enjoyed this day, being surrounded by all the people that you love. We wish you happiness, great health, and for more blessings to come your way.
Special day for a very special person. Happy 70th birthday, Tita Sally. My grade 2 advisor at Siena College, Quezon City. My directors at Green Grove Learning Center. And my partner in crime. Mamundok man tayo, tita, magkasama pa rin tayo sa hirap at ginhawa. Tita Sally, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal, maraming salamat po sa suporta, maraming salamat sa guidance na ibinibigay mo po sa akin. May God bless you more. With love, success, happiness, good health, and all the good things that life can offer you. Love you, tita. Mahal ka namin ng mga bata mula kay Sean, Simon, Sam, and Sander. Nandito lang po kami. Mahal ka po namin. Happy birthday, tita.
Hi, Ate Sally. It's your day today, so I wish you good health and happiness always. Enjoy, and I hope you have an amazing day, Ate. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa mabait, maganda at batang-bata kong kaibigan. Kitang-kita naman natin not only in heart but also physically. Ate Sally, thank you for being a loving and caring friend. Your loyalty means so much. Kahit minsan inasar kita at ako ay nagiging sutil. So, pasensya ka na kung minsan nainis ka sa akin. I wish you all happiness and good health in life, and may all your dreams come true. Basta, Ate Sally, Yun na pag-usapan natin. Alam mo na yan, secret natin yon. And, parating na. Okay. Ate Sally, enjoy your day. And I love you. Bye.
Hi, Auntie Sally. Happy 70th birthday. May your special day brings you lots of beautiful moments. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sally. Wish ko na sana mahaba pa yung buhay mo, ma-enjoy mo pa yung retirement mo. I wish you good health and basta be happy on your birthday. Happy birthday, Auntie. Stay sweet and beautiful. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone, para kay Mang Sally to sa birthday niya. Happy birthday. More years to come. Good health. Enjoy mo lang birthday mo. So, short message lang. Pasensya na. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Kita-kits tayo ulit next time. Bye.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sally. It's your 70th birthday and it's surprise. I wish you good health, good wealth, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday and sana magkapo ka na. Charot.
Surprise! Happy birthday sa aming kulis auntie, ang aming Auntie Sally, na naging pangalawang nanay namin nung kami ay nakatira sa Manila, na laging nagsisigurado na okay kami, maayos kami, kumain na kami. Sa aking auntie na talaga namang hindi sumusuko sa paghahanap ng magiging boyfriend ko. Sa aking auntie na talagang namimiss ko kapag Holy Week, kasi siya yung kasama namin lagi pag nagbibisita iglesia sa Manila, na lagi kong kasama kapag prosesyon tuwing salubong. Hindi man ako ang iyong number 1 favorite sa mga magpipinsan, kasi nung binilang ko, alanganin siya na nasa spot 1 ako. So sabi ko, eto sigurado talaga ako, nasa top 5 ako. Ayun talaga, sure na sure talaga ako doon. Pero alam ko naman na mahal mo kaming mga magpipinsan ng pantay-pantay at lahat ay paborito mo. We are all blessed to have you as our auntie, at alam ko naman na blessed ka din na kami ang mga naging pamangkin mo. We wish you good health. May God fill your heart with endless joy. May you have more birthdays to come. This is your day. Enjoy it. We love you. I miss you and I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Hello kapamilya! Happy 70th birthday, Mang Sally! Wish ko lang na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, good health, at peace of mind. At maski malayo man kami, malayo ako sa inyo, tandaan mo na mahal ko kayong lahat. Ingat lagi. I love you.